Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you, for I can't help falling in love with you. Thank you very much. Elvis classic. I'd like to salute the armed forces now. First is the Army. Hill over dale as we hit the dusty trail, and the caissons go marching along, rolling along. In and out, hear them shout, counter-American right about, and the caissons go rolling along. And it's hi, hi, he in the field artillery. Shout out your numbers loud and strong, for wherever you go, you will always know that the caissons go rolling along. And now we salute the Navy. Anchors away, my boys, anchors away. Farewell to foreign shores, we sail at break of day. Through our last night ashore, drink to the bone. In blue we meet once more, here's wishing you a happy voyage home. And now we'd like to salute the Coast Guard. So here's the Coast Guard's marching song. We sing on land or sea, through surf and storm and howling gale, high shall our purpose be. Some poor Broadus is our guide, our fame and glory too, to fight, to save, or fight and die. Aye, Coast Guard, we are for you. And now we talk about the Air Force veterans among us. We go into the wild blue yonder, climbing high into the sun. Here they go, zooming to meet our thunder. Atom boys, give them the gun. Down we dive, parting our plane from under, off with one hell of a roar. We live in fame or go down in flame. Nothing can stop the U.S. Air Force. now, I'd like to salute the Marines. From the halls of Montezuma to the shores of Tripoli, we will fight our country's battles in the air, on land and sea. First we fight for right and freedom, and to keep our honor clean. We are proud to claim the title of United States Marine. And for all who served our country, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We're truly grateful. Thank you.